So we're here in Salalah at a frankincense stand, and this is
Haffa.
And we're at the Haffa market, and your name is? And he just helped me pick out some frankincense, just to kind of let you know here.
This frankincense eating, this same medicine.
Medicinal.
Yeah. And this burn.
And this one here is for the incense burning. Yeah.
Incense burning. This is same like this. Yeah.
Oh yeah, here we have it over here. Yeah.
So same like this burning. So I have the charcoal and just flavor.
Okay. There we go.
And have this incense and frankincense and perfume. And have frankincense soap, this frankincense lotion and frankincense massage oil. It's all frankincense. This is natural.
Yep.
It's all have natural.
Oman is known for obviously frankincense, and this whole market is full of different vendors for frankincense. So it's a great place to explore frankincense. All right, well, thank you.
Frankincense is an aromatic resin from the Boswellia tree used in perfumes, incense, and for good health. The resin is soaked overnight for medicinal purposes. Then you drink the liquid to support digestion and well-being. The essential oils are therapeutic for the skin and antimicrobial.
Oh, I like all these materials. And those hats. Oh, this is good with material, yeah? I love those hats. Yeah? Oh, no, I'm okay. Thank you.
You are a YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, yeah. Okay, these guys are my new followers on YouTube, right? Yay! Thank you.
Welcome.
See you on YouTube. All right. Hello. Sorry. Hello there. Everyone's so friendly. Hi. Oh, don't you know it? Hi, little sweetie. Hi, little sweetie. Oh, be nice to the kitty. Be nice to the little kitty. Hey, little sweetie. Hey, little sweetie. Aww. You gonna pet the sweetie? Gonna pet the kitty? Oh, look. Look. Oh, nice kitty. Nice kitty. Aw. Say hi to the kitty. Oh. You can put him down now. It's okay. You put him down. You put him down. Yeah. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Who's there? No, thank you.
If you like this for Omani traditional.
Huh?
Oman traditional.
What's traditional?
Is Oman traditional. Look. That is for women.
Oh.
Put is the hair.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's traditional.
Uh-huh.
And one of more like this. That's traditional, you know.
Oh, okay.
Interesting, yeah, this one.
Right,
In
right.
Salalah.
In Salalah.
Yes.
Still they wear that like that? Yeah.
In Salalah.
Okay.
It's like this.
Oh, okay. Beautiful material here.
All
Oh.
product, this is real Kashmir is good.
Oh.
Yeah.
And I have no
Yes.
idea how to authenticate
Can I
that.
try
claim.
this? Try.
Do you want to try this on, you
Try
guys?
this one. It's like traditional.
Jessica, try it on. She'll do it.
Se tapa la cara, pero el ombligo no.
Oh, actually, it looks neat. Makes your eyes really obviously pop, you know. Are they always black? Oh, and then you do that around it.
If you like his other colors, like other.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yes.
I love it.
It's like Omani tradition.
Okay.
Yeah.
perfumes down here and I'll be ready. Ooh, those are pretty colors. Hi. Hello again. Hi.
Hi. You like something in my throat?
All right, back to my frankincense stand. There's my fly again. I'm doing a loop. Hi.
Happy birthday.
Bye. Yeah. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Next year.
Okay, we'll be back.